t-shirt bench press, or also known as soft touch bench press. So I like using this variation for clients and athletes that struggle with sinking at the bottom of their bench or relaxing at the bottom, and clients that struggle with using their leg drive, right, in the bench press. So you're gonna set up like a normal bench press, okay? And then from here, right, all we're doing is, what I'm looking for is proper leg drive, so pushing back into the bench. So what I like doing is pressing the back of my neck, right, and getting my shoulders down as far as I can, right, shoulders down, back of my neck flat on the bench. Then I'm pushing, right, using my legs to push back into the bench. So we got a little arch there, and then I have a nice stable base. Okay, shoulders are fully depressed, back of my neck is flat, and I'm using my quads to drive myself back into the bench. So from there, I get my grip, all right, and I'm gonna unrack, boom. So a lot of problems, right? People with sink style, or that like to sink on bench or relax, they usually come down, right, kind of shoulders roll forward, or chest comes down, and then the neck comes up, right, and then they try to recover and bounce back up, right? So they come down, sink, relax, and then press back up, okay? What we're trying to do here is pause lightly on your t-shirt, okay? Or just softly, yeah, pause on your chest. So constant leg drive, okay? So if you want to lightly pause, all right, you're gonna have to stay really tight and push really hard with those quads, right? Actively push back, not only on the way up, but on the way down, on that eccentric, okay? So I'm pushing back, back of my neck is into the bench, shoulders are down, depressed, right? Then from there, I'm pushing back, 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 as I softly touch that bar in my chest, pause, and then explode back up. So actively pushing back, soft touch, boom. So I'm barely touching, all right, my chest. I'm not letting it relax, staying tight, maintaining my arch, right, keeping my rib cage up, right, and then exploding out of that pause, okay? So we're softly, so we're keeping that rib cage up by driving, using our leg drive to push us back into the bench, right? And then I'm pushing hard on that eccentric, okay? Slowly bringing that bar to my chest, softly, right? Touch your t-shirt, don't let it sink, and then after that pause, press back up.